How to fix TikTok direct message option not showing or working. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply make sure you're using the latest version of TikTok app. Open up the App Store. In the search bar, you want to go ahead and simply search for TikTok. Once you search for it, tap onto it. And inside here, if you see any update button, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, head back to your home screen. And just like that, you want to go ahead and simply open up your TikTok application. Log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon right over here. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this three-line icon. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Inside here, simply tap on Privacy and then select Direct Messages. Make sure direct messages are enabled and set to either friends or everyone if available. Also remember that TikTok DMs only work for users who are at least 16 years old. If your account age is set incorrectly, the messaging option may not appear. Now you can restart the application and check if the DM button is back. If not, you can try clearing TikTok cache from app settings. You can even log out and log back into your account to refresh your settings. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.